Vlogmas day 22. It's Harry. It is 7:10 in the evening, and this is the first time that I've been able to pick up the camera properly anyway, to chat to you. It has just been a really hectic day. Both myself and Simon have been non-stop cleaning. Yes, and you've been keeping busy as well. So basically myself and Simon cleaned our bathroom like really thoroughly, and the kitchen as well really thoroughly. And I cleaned the oven, and then Harry decided that he wanted to make some mince pies, so he's been making some mince pies, and then I had to finish off the second batch in between cooking dinner. So yeah, it's just been a hectic day, and doing loads and loads of washing just to make sure that we're all caught up, ready for having people round this week basically. So I feel a little bit flushed. I feel quite warm. Yeah, haven't seen outside at all today, but it has been grim weather here today. So that is basically what I've been doing. So hence the reason I haven't really picked up the camera to chat to you. But I wanted to firstly just say thank you very much for your suggestions for dressmaking mannequins. I'm going to be looking into that, so I appreciate you commenting about that. And with regards to the overlocker needles, I've heard that universal ones should be fine, so I will try that again, and fingers crossed. If I'm not sewing with sequins, then I probably won't have an issue, will I? So yeah, fingers crossed it will be okay. Before we get stuck into the advent calendars, because that's what we're here for, isn't it, Harry, before you go to bed, I quickly tell you what I'm wearing. You can probably guess. It's another set of dungarees that I've made, and this is my first copycat pair from my ready to wear pair that I got from Run and Fly, and this is made in a cotton sateen fabric. Gosh, where did I get this from? Oh, it's such a long time ago that I bought this. I don't even think the company is trading anymore where I got it from. I can't remember where it's from, but I'm pretty sure they're not. I'm sure it's like Salvage and Bolts or something like that, possibly. Anyway, it's a lovely black fabric with these florals all over, and I've got a little badge on. I forgot that was on there actually, and it did go through the wash, but it seems to have come out okay. It says maker on it. I can't actually remember where I got that from either, possibly in last year's advent calendar. I've just got it on with a ready to wear black 3/4 length t-shirt top, which I got from the charity shop, which was originally from Marks and Spencer's. Yeah, so that has been my day today. I have inserted a little bit of footage of Harry making the mince pies, and of them having the rabbits in this morning, because basically they usually have the run of the garden and have access to their both runs and their hutch during the day, but because it's been really windy and rainy, they tend to hibernate and stay inside. So I said I think you better bring them in and give them a little bit of love. So yeah, they came in for a little bit, but they do prefer to be outside. They're not really inside rabbits at all, are they? They just want to escape all the time. But it was quite nice to have them in and have a little cuddle with them. Yes, so that has been my day basically. So really busy with the cleaning. So yeah, still got lots to do tomorrow. Just taking things off the list. We kind of give the house a proper good clean, like a bit like a spring clean, but a Christmas clean basically, which is quite nice to do every now and again, although yeah, it does take its toll. So me and Simon are just a bit like, oh thank goodness that's done. So it's his last day at work tomorrow, but then like I say, he is on call from Christmas day, but fingers crossed the weather doesn't get any worse. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes. Right, should we get on with the advent calendars then? So I've got two to do today. I've got Becky's Sewing Studio advent calendar and also Angela's, and I've actually taken all of the advents out of Becky's Sewing Studio, the last two that are left anyway, because I'm using the tin now for my crochet and cross stitch and stuff. So it's just sort of put it all into one place, which is quite nice because I had it over several little bags. Right, do you want to get opening day 22 then? Oh, is it a flat one? What does it feel like? Have a little feel.
Skinny and then flat.
Okay, let's have a little touch. Okay, feels like a badge. Could be wrong. Oh, it is a badge. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. It said Fabric Collectors Club, and it is a wooden pin badge. I'll show you the back first. It's got one of those like that, and then on the front it says Fabric Collectors Club. I absolutely love that. I don't think it would go very well on my dungarees because they're a bit busy, but that would certainly go really nicely on a pair of you know, on a dress or a denim jacket or another pair of dungarees that I've got that are plain. I really like that. That's beautiful, and it's in Becky's sort of classic colours. Yeah, really like that. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Right, I've seen Angela's shape, show the shape, and I can guess what it is because I've seen one of these before being opened on somebody else's Vlogmas when they were opening Becky's advent calendar, and that is Jazz and Wow. Now the only reason I didn't buy hers, I would have bought hers as well, is because I've got that funny like phobia situation with buttons, I was just wary about ordering her advent calendar and then not liking half of the things that are in it. But actually, since watching everybody else's videos who actually has that calendar, there hasn't been that many buttons in there, and the ones that she has put in there is actually been quite nice buttons. So I will have to consider getting that next year. I think Becky will be inundated with orders next year for her advent calendar because they've gone down really well. But yeah, I'm sure I can message her and say, you know, can you put nice Karen ones in mine? I don't know, maybe she might do that for me, who knows. But yeah, the majority have been really nice, I think. I could swap them, I suppose, if I didn't like them. Right, anyway, so that's the shape of it. Just bring it up closer to the camera. That's it, right, so it's like that. And open it up, Harry. Do you think you might know what it is? No.
Lollipop.
Oh, it's brilliant. I love the colour. That's great. So basically it's a corkscrew for a wine bottle, and it's got the resin ball on the top. Do you know what that reminds me of? What's it remind you of?
Toffee apple.
No, it reminds me of a snooker ball. It reminds me of a snooker ball. I love that. Or like a balloon, doesn't it? Or yeah, a big lollipop.
Can you eat that bit?
No, you can't eat it. It's resin.
Oh.
It's like plasticky.
I thought it was a sweetened one.
No, it's not a sweet one. Sorry. Yeah, so that's it, and that will get heavily used because I do like my wine. Thank you very much, Angela. Yeah, like that. Right, that is it for today. It is a short and sweet one for you. So like I say, tomorrow Simon is back at work for his last day. So I'm at home with the boys, lots of cleaning to do. I'm going to give you some errands as well. Yes. Yeah.
Keep subscribing to So Little Time.
Thank you. And that was made by Sam from So Let's Sparkle with Sam. She made that for me.
Ding,
just
ding,
to let everybody know that I am So Little Time. Yes.
And I made
love
that.
And you did make that. Right. Anyway, it's your bedtime, mister.
It's up. They're going down to
Dad. Oh, you're going down to Dad, are you? Right. Yes. Okay. We're going to love you and leave you, and we will catch up with you
Bye.
tomorrow. Take care. Bye.